Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy odira, nwobu, aka Joseph Onolobeledi, and we are here on morning breakfast. And I'm still here with my very good friend. My mom is a music legend, is a musician, is a singer, is a writer, is everything. And I have my friend here. His name is nobody but Ojadili Igbo.
One name.
Ojadili. Welcome to my show.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
You very much.
Thank you for coming. God bless you. Ojadili, here we call it, this show, we call it morning breakfast, where we eat and discuss about things of life.
Wait, breakfast.
Yeah, that's how we do it. It's our breakfast. That's how we do it. Yes, we do it like that. So it's a very small breakfast.
Yeah, how? Why would you give me? Okay, this one nasemo.
Nasemo.
Sumo with okra and fish. And besides, why did you put one fish for me? You're supposed to give me two fish. And
why is like that? Is your size not? If you look your size, you know that you don't eat much. You don't eat much, or that. Don't disgrace this show. You don't eat much. You know your size, your kind of person. It's wrong.
Why would you be telling me not to eat two fish? That my size is too big.
My show, we don't eat much.
Yeah, you is bigger than.
Just manage this one. And
that's what you will say. Tell me to manage this.
Two. The host supposed to have two.
Yeah, now I say manage. Tell me to manage it.
Manage it.
You're my good friend. If you explain to me, I understand.
Well, that is how it's okay. It's okay. That's how we do it. That's how we, we don't. I'm trying to explain things to him that he does not need to eat much because okay. So now, let us interview Ojadili. It's not easy. Okay, Oja, let us eat and discuss. There are many betting platforms in Nigeria. I choose One Nice Bet, and I will tell you why. Number one, it is the biggest and the most famous betting platform all over the world, which operates for more than 17 years now. And number two, One Nice Bet is an official betting partner of FC Barcelona and PSG. And number three, One Nice Bet has license in Nigeria, and Davido is the ambassador. It is given that One Nice Bet gives the highest consistency among its competitors. Number five, One Nice Bet allows not only to make money on bets, but also they always have many offers and promos where you can win valuable prize like iPhone, laptop, and whatever you can imagine. Register on One Nice Bet with my promo code odira and get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Wow. I want to ask you something. How about this music industry? It's fish. Don't. Okay. How about this music industry? How is it going? How is it like? What are the things that you need to do to blow?
I mean, I didn't want to go there. Industry has a lot to do with life. It's capital intensive. If you must blow, you need to have money. You need to have people that support you. You need to have everybody.
Oh, you need to have money.
So, okay, why you like this now? So you do morning breakfast. You know even say me invite me. Oh boy, say without me this thing now no go make sense. When people dey involved, say Spanner supposed dey involved.
Spanner.
Sir?
We have a legendary in our midst.
The fruit god.
We have a legendary in our midst. We have Ojadili Igbo. Because I don't want food challenge here.
I'm prepared.
Hey! Tell them Bali Bifa.
Spanner.
Soup. This is not good now. Why would this boy be embarrassing me here?
I don't like this.
I came here to have a special time with you. What is this? What is this now? What is this? Hey, my friend, stop that thing. Stop it, my friend. Stand up there.
No, the flip god.
Stand up there. Stand up.
time for fufu. When fufu is involved, I'm stubborn.
This is how.
I will leave this place.
No,
What sort of embarrassment is
Oja,
this?
because this is just what I'm passing through.
Oh, stop. The point.
Hey, Oja, don't be angry. Let me continue the interview. Let me just continue the interview.
What interview are you talking about? Now, I can't wait a good time. I beg you to what happened here. Who is this town? Look at that. Hey! For me.
Oja, please, Biko.
Odira. I will give you this boy 50,000. Let him get out of here.
Yeah,
If not, I'm not eating this food.
50,000 naira.
I'm not eating this food. I will not.
I think he will take it. I think he will take it.
Yeah, okay. Stand up. Stand up.
He's giving you 50,000
Stand up,
naira.
stand up. Will you stand up, also?
Oja.
Will you stand up?
Hey,
Take this money.
Oja.
take money and go. They want money.
Money? No, Oja, no, take the money.
If I blow you, let's go.
Hey,
Oja,
calm down.
what sort of embarrassment is this?
Oja, wait.
Tell the money leader.
Take
My
50,000.
friend, get out of here. Take
Hey,
50,000.
Oja, wait.
Will I not say my fault?
Hey, wait.
Tell the money leader.
Why you so?
The money leader from.
Hey.
No, he's the money leader. I'm not going to leave back.
Hey, Oja.
Upon.
Il est beaucoup
Talk
casse-pas.
about one.
Il est bien la Hispana.
I don't know what's going on.
Il est bien la Hispana, Oja.
Father, get out.
Il est bien la Hispana. Hey.
Father, get out of here. I'm not going to
Hey, Piccolo.
Get out.
Oja, Piccolo.
Get out.
Oh, calm down. Let me finish the interview. Can I finish your interview? Hey. What's the result?
Nanya.
Hey, Pico.
I be never find interview. I want to. I told you I'm a Spana. Who is Spana?
I don't know.
I'm going to call injury.
Hey.
Alanaya.
Mba.
I can see follow. That's why I'm man.
Hey.
Get out.
Get out.
Oja.
I told you.
Oja.
Who are looking for something better to do?
Fais la gueule à quoi t'as fait ici? Hey. Hey. Direct, Oja. On dit never cook a Spana. Why you give me like Spana? Oh, no, easy. Spana. You see what you're doing to my legendary?
Get out of me.
You see what you're doing to my legendary?
Legendary.
Legendary.
I won't take this from you.
Fufu?
Fuluta.
An embarrassment.
Fufuta.
Fufu is better than money.
Father, give me back my money.
Hey, Jesus. This boy prefer food more than money.
Father, into that area.
Oh, you want to eat my food? So I'm not eating.
You come on.
Hey, Oja. Hey, God, to say I can't go over here. Oh, Smala. Hey, because
Oh my God!
It's okay. Baba, let me tell you what. I cry for your beer. Oh, your beer, yeah. Follow them. He's
Hey!